Sarah, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to 10 DIYs for Christmas, and maybe the quickest intro ever because your girl doesn't want to bore you guys. Thumbs up if you guys like videos like this and comment down below what time it is for you right now. Enjoy! Hi guys, so this is kind of weird because I haven't done a DIY voiceover in a really long time, but please don't get used to it because I am not going to become a DIY YouTuber again. But I felt like filming a Christmas DIY video because it makes me feel super festive. All I did was spray paint these mason jars and then I took some of this. Wait, Kane, what is this called?
Hessian.
Hessian? No, it's not called Hessian. Okay, Kane and I just talked about it for like 20 minutes. I don't know what that stuff is called, but like, I'm probably gonna remember the name of this stuff in like 2 minutes after I finish this voiceover. But anyway, I wrote the word joy in a Sharpie. It would have looked better if I painted it on, but I didn't, and that's the DIY. Moving on to the next DIY, I low-key did this just because I wanted to buy some M&Ms. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the audio of me failing.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
On the real, pretty much every single one of these DIYs is pretty easy, but this one just takes a really long time. So for this DIY, I just took a little tree and traced it out onto some black card paper. And after I spent about 100 hours cutting all of these trees out, something that I spread out across 2 days naturally because I'm that good at procrastinating. After that, I took some yarn and I just used some sticky tape to stick all of the trees onto the yarn, and then I just hung it to a piece of dowel and I hung it above my TV. I feel like this turned out really cute. This might be my favorite DIY in the whole video. Ooh, look at my fireplace on my TV. She's festive. So I feel like if you've watched my channel for longer than 1 second, you would know that I have way too many Polaroid pictures in my house. So I thought that I should make a DIY where I can display them. Basically, I just took a picture frame and I took like the backing piece and wrapped it in a piece of flannel fabric that conveniently really matches my outfit. Didn't plan that, but like pretty proud of that. Once I wrapped it, I just pinned in some of my favorite Polaroid pictures so that I could display them, but it can also be like festive AF. And yeah, please enjoy me failing to hang up this frame.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
So next up, I feel like I'm risking getting roasted in the comments because is this really a DIY? But I thought that I would just change my letterboard from like this Harry Potter situation that one time someone roasted me about. Because technically Harry Potter didn't say this, it was actually written in the map, but you know, whatever. So anyways, I decided to swap it out for something that I saw on Pinterest. It says gonna go lay under the tree to remind my family that I am a gift, which honestly, I cannot wait to go do this on Christmas morning because yeah, my family should know that I am in fact a gift. Next up, we're making a pop socket, and I love that at the start of this shot you can see my reflection in the printer. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Anyway, I just took some sticker paper and I printed out this like plaid print onto my sticker paper. We just traced around the pop socket to make sure that it was the right size and stuck it straight on. You can seal this off with some Mod Podge as well so that it doesn't like peel up at all. But as y'all can see, I am very awkward at filming overlays now and don't know what to do. So please enjoy or don't, whatever. Okay, next up, I'm gonna print out just a cute print that I found on the internet and I'm gonna hang them into my hangers. But did y'all, like, let's just go back. Did y'all enjoy this, like, magic, just it printing out? That was actually because my printer wasn't plugged in and I was too lazy and I'd already actually printed it out, so. But yeah, I just hung up some of my prints with some pant hangers that I already had. I feel like this is a really easy and quick way to make your home a little more festive without trying too hard. You know what I'm saying? For this next DIY, I feel like this is such a cute idea to just give someone a succulent, and I feel like everyone wants cute plants if they're good at keeping them alive, which I'm actually not. I also want to say a quick apology to my mom because I'm definitely going to keep this because she lives in a different state to me. I feel like it would be kind of awkward for me to send it to her, so thank you, Mom, for letting me keep this. Y'all probably thought that I was going to film this video without mentioning anything visco, but That is not the case. For this next DIY, I've already done something super similar to this in my Visco Girl room transformation, but you know we had to do Visco vibes, but like Christmas edition. So I just went ahead and found some really festive, but like also Visco things that I could print out onto some sticker paper, and then I just cut around them, stuck them straight onto my computer, and I love this DIY because you could totally stick it onto like your side table, your mirror, your computer.
Let's go.
I kind of filmed this last DIY really randomly, but on the real, I thought that I was going to do this DIY in this video and it was going to be the biggest freaking fail because I saw this picture on Pinterest. I'll put it on the screen, and I just thought that it would be so funny for me to try and recreate it in this video thinking that it would fail, but it kind of looked cute. So you know, maybe she should become a DIY YouTuber again. Anyways, I just took a really long piece of fabric. It was pretty inexpensive from the craft store. I cut it down into skinnier strips and I hung one long piece vertically on my door and then a shorter piece through the center horizontally. I just stuck it down the sides with some tape and found this huge bow that was so perfect from Kmart, and honestly I was really surprised at how cute this turned out.
Hey, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
So that was the DIY video. Hope y'all liked it. Thumbs up this video if you did, and let me know what other Christmas videos you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys next